What is going on, people? Hope everyone is well. It's Jacob here from Nick Capital, bringing you another market outlook. Apologies for the delay in doing this. We normally do it over the weekends and bring it to you so you can study whilst the markets are closed. Unfortunately, it's running late today, but nonetheless, we are here, okay? Before we get into it, of course, if you are interested in starting your trading journey with us, head over to Lit Capital right now, where you can see and inquire regarding mentoring courses in regards to either a group course. We've got some exciting news with that. I'm going to tell you in a minute, but we've got one-to-one mentoring. We also have an online course available for you guys where it's pre-recorded videos and you can access it as and when you please. And starting from April the 1st, we actually have a group course which we will be doing for free, okay? If you want access to our group course, which is starting on the 1st of April, contact us now with inquiring regarding the group course so we can get your details and reach out to you. Okay, April 1st, guys. Really, really exciting stuff coming. So before we get into the charts, of course, we're going to check the economic calendar, and in doing so, we're going to just see what fundamental news we have in the markets this week, which is going to impact the charts. Okay, so going into Tuesday, we can see we have the unemployment rate for the pound, Great British Pound. That's what stands out to me on tomorrow morning. Excited for that. We also have the unemployment rate for China. It's important as well. We have some meeting minutes regarding the Aussie as well in the night time. But the main thing in the morning, going into that London session, will be the unemployment rate coming out of the UK. Okay, we got some economic sentiment for the euro as well. And that's about it. Going into Wednesday, we also have some inflation rate data for the CAD, CPI as well. And we also have retail sales for the US, all approaching the New York session right before the New York session. Okay. Later that day on Wednesday, we have the Fed interest rate decision. Okay. So anticipating it highly, as there's been a lot of talks about rate hikes from the Fed. We're probably likely to see a rate hike. So it'll be interesting to see what the actual Fed Chairman Powell has to say about it and if he is going to do it. Okay, so excited for that. Of course, it's later on in the evening on Wednesday, but nonetheless, definitely going to have an ear to the markets for that. Fed press conference follows up, so yeah, going to be a lot of fundamental data released on that evening. Right, Thursday, we have unemployment rate for the Aussie. For those that trade the Aussie pair, definitely be on the lookout for that. We also have later, we got some Euro CPI. We got some speeches coming out of the ECB as well. We also have the Bank of England interest rate decision for the pound. Okay, again, exciting. We've heard a lot of talks about rate hikes again. Let's see if they do so. Okay, looking forward to it. Later on in the afternoon, we also have some initial jobless claims for the US, as well as building permits and inflation rate for Japan. And to round it off, on Friday, we got the interest rate for the Bank of Japan, retail sales for the CAD, and also existing home sales for the US. So a lot of high impact data throughout the week, which is great for us because we can then use that to anticipate what we see on the charts. Okay, so going over to the charts, I'm going to run you guys through gold and what I kind of see with this. And looking at it, we can kind of see that gold on the daily, for me, we are in a potential area where we could actually see a push up out of here. Looking for more data, of course. We've actually got down here, had an alert go off earlier before I started the stream. And we can actually see a reaction happening so far. So going into the New York session and stuff like that, we can see if this is looking like a continuation for the afternoon, okay? But again, very interested in this area. We've kind of swept these lows from last week. We also had some lows here that we swept as well. So just looking to see smaller time frame price action do its thing and give us that price action to kind of show us that we are looking at buyers. Okay, so we've had a massive move down, and in doing that, we've created this double top on the weekly chart. I don't think it's going to last. I do see gold continuing back up, but again, we needed a retracement in order to get in for potential buyers. Okay, because price was way too high. Now that we're at a potential area, we're just looking to see signs going into the New York session, which is less than an hour from now, and continue back up. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at for gold. Other thing I got for you guys is oil as well. Again, looking for buyers from lower on this. We've had a mad parabolic move to the upside. I'm looking to see what we want to do within this area here in terms of retracement. We are in active areas of a discount price, but I did have two potential areas of interest. So one was below, and obviously where we had this push up here, and we had a big engulfing to the downside. I was looking to see if the markets would have opened up and then given us a short opportunity to get down there. So now that price is here, we are just going to be monitoring going into the what's it called, the New York session as well. We've seen some lows taken out. Again, I had an alert go off. So looking to see where the retracement is going to stop so that we could potentially be buyers, because as oil has priced itself ridiculously high, there's no signs yet that this is we're in a bearish phase at all just yet. So that's we're in a key area again, potentially where we could get buys from. So looking at this and gold for sure, commodities and metals, they've been hot property to trade in times of global uncertainty. So right now, these are the things that are on my radar. Okay, the last but not least, US30. Been trading indices regularly as well, so that we can understand, with what's going on and capitalize what's going on globally. We took a short off this on Friday, which I am actually still in the short for. I've taken some of my position, but I'm actually still bearish on this. What we can kind of see potentially is another retracement back up in terms of maybe retesting higher areas, because we've yet to really do so as the market's open. But if we don't get that, then I understand that, looking at the bigger picture and stuff like that, I'm anticipating us getting below some of these daily lows again, and swiping some of the liquidity that's been outstanding and left here. So, this is a weekly area, outstanding weekly area. It's not showing much bullish momentum. So I actually feel like we are due to continue to slide to the downside. Just off the back of, again, what is happening globally. I don't think it's the time to be buying stocks or indexes. Okay, so again, we're going to be looking for entries potentially come New York stock open later today, and in doing that, we're going to potentially look to see if the market wants to continue down or pull back first and then continue down. Okay, so all of these setups will be given out in our Discord. For access to our Discord, please head over to our website again. You can inquire about a Discord subscription. Okay, it's only £25 a month, where we post a lot of value in there: charts, crypto charts, stocks, and we've got some new exciting news coming real soon as well, in regards to revealing some more exciting information in different fields. Okay, so Web3, for those that are interested in Web3 as well as NFTs, we've got something great coming for you guys real soon. So those are the charts, guys, that we're looking at. It is only Monday. We don't tend to really get hands-on with the trading, but if opportunity presents, we will be eyes on the markets. Okay, so those are the things I'm potentially looking at so far. There are a few others, but again, as and when I feel updates are necessary, it will be in the Discord, guys. So that's me today. Hope you've enjoyed the stream. Hope you've enjoyed the setups. If you have, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment as well if you have any questions about anything. We will be sure to get back to you. Okay. Remember, guys, every day is money day. Peace.